So guys, the topic today is based on multiplication of brackets, and I have done a series of it in our recent and our past videos, and this is a different type of multiplication of brackets. We have done plus and plus in our last videos, and we have also done minus minus. So now we are treating a minus plus. So the first thing to do is to use the similar method. Check in the first bracket to see if there is y, and then check in the second bracket to see if there is y. So y is here and y is here, which means y raised to power 2. Then the next thing to do is to come to this place and then you solve. If you look close in this bracket, we have minus 3. This is minus 3. That's here, minus 3. And if you look here now, we have a plus 4. This is plus 4, this is minus 3. So you ask yourself, minus 3 plus 4. So this means like you are owing somebody 3 naira and then you give the person 4 naira. It means it's going to remain 1. So this is what we did. Minus 3 plus 4 is a 1. Then let's multiply. We write the same. Whatever you write at the top, write it below. Times 4. The same thing. So here now we ask ourselves, minus 3 times 4 is equals to minus 12. So we are getting the two numbers that we need. So here now we write 1. Yeah. Let me tell you that this is the same thing as a plus 1. Already remember it. So since there is no minus here, we are going to write plus. Then since there is minus here, we are going to write minus 12. And remember that if letter is here, letter is also going to be here. So here we put y in this one. So we now have to rewrite it. We now come here and write y squared plus 1y is the same thing as y. It's the same thing. So minus 12. And that's the final answer. So this is example 2, and we are still dealing on a minus plus. So we have done plus plus, that's plus being in the first bracket and being in the second bracket. We also done minus and minus. So now we are dealing on minus and plus. You have to solve it when you come across it, whether in your textbook or in your exam. So first thing to do is to check the brackets. Since m is here and m is here, just write m raised to power 2. Then you take the two numbers. Since there is minus here, we have minus 5. So write it to make it easier for you. Here we have plus 6. Write it plus 6. Then repeat it again. Minus 5. But the difference is that when you come here, don't write plus again, write times 6. So minus 5 plus 6 is equals to 1. If you want to find out whether it's correct, we are owing, this minus means we are owing somebody. So if you are owing somebody 5 naira and the person comes to your shop and give you 6 naira, it means that by the time you remove the 5 naira that the person is owing you, 1 naira is going to remain. So here now, minus 5 times 6 will give you equals to minus 30. So we are getting the two numbers that we need. Only remember that here now, minus 5 times 6 is equals to 30. Minus times plus is equals to minus. If you say minus 3 times 4, it will give you minus 12. As far as there is minus in one of them, minus is going to be in your answer. Minus 5 times 2 is equals to minus 10 because there is minus here. So times and plus are not the same. Minus 4 times 11 equals to, since there is minus here, you're going to get minus 44. So you can also try it in your calculator and see that you're going to get the same answer. Type in your calculator minus 4 times 11 and see what you're going to get. So if you type your calculator minus 5 times 6, it will give you minus 30. And if you go to your calculator and type minus 5 plus 6, it's going to give you 1. So we take the 1, we write it here. We take the minus 30 and we write it here. And like I said earlier on, whenever you see any number like this and there is no minus there, it means that there is invisible plus guiding it. So since there is invisible plus there, I'm going to put plus here, because opposite of minus is plus. Since there is no minus here, we put plus. Then this is minus. So the next thing we are going to do, let's rearrange it so that it will look very good and well arranged. So here we have m raised to power 2 plus, this is 1m. Like we normally do, m has to be in the first and in the second. But 1m is the same thing as m. Here now, 1y is the same thing as y. 1b is the same thing as b. 1a is the same thing as a. 1c is the same thing as c. So whenever you see anything that has 1, just write the letter. It's still the same. So here, no need to write another 1. We just write m. Because this and this here are the same thing. Then minus this 30 that we have here. This is our final answer.